This week we're going to take a look at one of the quickest and easiest ways that you can grow your business. If you're a fitness professional and you're just starting out, or you're looking to grow your business, then this video is for you. My name's Lee Wilson and welcome to Go Retrieve. Hi there. Okay, if you're in a fitness business or any other business for that matter, the key to your success is the service that you provide. It's the one thing that will set you apart from your competition. It's not the product that you deliver, it's not the guidance or advice. Everyone does the same thing in everyone else's opinion. You know that you offer something different to your competition, but it's getting that message across to your clients. And the one thing that you can do to stand apart from your competition is provide outstanding service. When clients call you, pick up the phone. When they text you, when they send you a direct message, answer them. Do it immediately. Your clients are at the other end. They think you've got nothing else to do but service their needs, and you need to be there for them. So when they send you a message or when they call you, get back to them straight away. It's that important. Now, I know what you're going to say. I'm busy, I can't get back to them now. It's not good enough. If you want to build a sustainable, successful business, you need to be there for your clients. And one way to do that is to clear out all the crap from your business, all the stuff that you can automate. Make sure your phone is for your clients. If they want to book, point them towards Go Retrieve. They can do all their bookings, they can pay for everything online. If they want to manage their bookings, change them, it can all be done automatically through Go Retrieve. Your time is so important. You need to be dedicating that to your clients. You need to be dedicating that to marketing your business and growing your business. Now, one thing that you can do to grow your business, which is so easy, is referrals. Referrals is one of the easiest things and one of the most important things to your business, and one thing that a lot of people either can't ask for or they forget to do, and they spend tons of time on Facebook, they go out and they talk to people, they network, but one key element is the people in your business. They can help you grow. If you took your top 20 people in your business, you do that through Go Retrieve really easily. Go into the report section, list your top 20 customers, and take those top 20 and contact them. Send them a text and say to them something like, hey, it's a real pleasure you being in the class. You're really motivational. You're an inspiration to others. It's great to see you. Something as simple as that. Be genuine with them. Send them the text. Don't do anything else. Wait for them to reply. They'll generally come back to you and say, oh, well, thanks. That's really great. Look forward to seeing you at tonight's class. And then go back to them and say, glad you're coming tonight, really appreciate it. If you know of anyone else with the same attitude as you, I'd love for you to bring them along, and I can give you both a free class as a thank you, and this will really help me build my business. Now, people are responsive to that. They do respond. They want to help you, and if you're providing an outstanding service, they're seeing results and they're enjoying it. Why wouldn't they bring a friend? So, they bring a family member, a friend. When they turn up, make sure you greet them. Go up to them, start a conversation with them. It's so important to make them feel wanted. They're your next clients. Treat them well. Make sure you give them both an extra class for free. That's the difference between you and someone else. You can give them that. They can go and manage their own bookings. You can see them next time. You can roll them in. And you're building and building and building your business. They will bring someone else and it rolls from there. You can offer additional promotional incentives, teaser sessions, taster sessions, and use the system to your full advantage. Automate this process because it's ultimately going to free your time to talk to your clients to build a good business. Now, next week, we'll look at the taster sessions and we'll look at how you can do one-off promotions, incentives, and drive even more customers through your door. I look forward to seeing you next week.